Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi halwa. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fine semolina, half a cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of rich ghee. Also, prepare 1 cup of water, a pinch of fragrant saffron, and a quarter teaspoon of aromatic cardamom powder. Don't forget some chopped nuts and dried fruits for your delicious fillings. Finally, grab a bamboo sushi mat and plastic wrap for perfect shaping. Now, let's craft the delicious halwa base. Begin by heating a quarter cup of ghee in a pan over medium heat until it shimmers beautifully. Next, add 1 cup of semolina and roast it gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it turns a lovely golden brown and smells fragrant. In a separate pot, bring 1 cup of water to a boil with half a cup of sugar, a pinch of saffron, and a quarter teaspoon of cardamom. Carefully pour this hot syrup into the roasted semolina, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens into a smooth halwa. With your halwa base ready, it's time for the fun part, assembling your sweet sushi. Lay a sheet of plastic wrap over your bamboo sushi mat. Spread a thin, even layer of the warm halwa onto the plastic wrap, covering about 2/3 of the surface. Along one edge, arrange a neat line of your chopped nuts and dried fruits. Now, carefully roll the halwa tightly using the sushi mat, pressing gently to ensure a firm, well-sealed cylinder. This creates a beautiful, uniform roll. To complete your sushi halwa, first chill the rolls in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and makes slicing much easier. Once chilled, carefully remove the plastic wrap and slice each roll into neat 1-inch pieces, just like traditional sushi. Arrange these delightful sweet treats artfully on a serving platter. For a final touch, you can garnish them with a sprinkle of extra chopped nuts or a tiny dot of edible silver leaf for an elegant presentation. Enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.